Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana, and this channel is all about me sharing my tips and tricks about my cake decorating journey. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful buttercream two-tier cake with a marble effect. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. beautiful cake, very simple to make, but there is little tips and tricks that you need to know for this particular design. Before you place the parchment or the acetate sheet around your cake, make sure that your cake is nice and chill. So like that, when you place your acetate sheet or your parchment paper around your cake, you know that it's going to stick very well to your cake. Once you've placed that around your cake, each tier, make sure to place it in the fridge or the freezer until the buttercream has hardened and is set. Do not unwrap before. There's no point. You're gonna remove the whole entire thing and it's not going to work. I have only tried the marble effect with buttercream. I haven't tried it with whipped cream. If somebody tries it and it works, please let me know in the comments down below so that I know if it works or not. And for the wrapping, as you can see, I left a little gap. Now what's important is that when you wrap your cake, don't close it all, because if you close it all, this part here you'll be able to unwrap, but then when you're going to go to the other corner, you're just going to remove this part that has already set, so it's not going to work. It's just going to rip off everything. So what I suggest is just always leaving a little gap. Okay, so like that, when you leave the gap, you can unmold this part and then just remove that part, you know, and then everything is going to be good to go. And you do that with both tiers. Now, to place the tier on top of the other tier, another trick, make sure that the top tier is super, super chill. This is why I was able to just lift it like that and then place it on top, or else it's just gonna break and then, I mean, it's gonna be a mess. So make sure that the top tier is completely chilled and then you can place it on top. And then for the flowers, as you know, place a little bit of buttercream and then just place it like that all the way around your cake. I did a cascade effect, which I thought it was pretty cute, and finish off the look with edible metallic paint. Again, edible metallic paint, it says it. There's a lot of shiny products out there. They're so nice, but they're not approved and they're not edible. So just make sure that the products that you're using are food safe. Also, many of you were asking me, where do you get your products? Where can I get this? Where can I get that? I actually have a link down below on my Amazon store where you can see all the products that I use. And I think in the future, I will be doing a Amazon favorites, and I will be explaining why they're my favorites and what you can do with them. And yeah, so I'll be doing that in the near future. So if you guys have any questions, don't be shy and ask me down below. And I am getting like very busy, guys. I'm so sorry. I know many of you are asking me questions. I try the most possible to answer. I don't know if you guys noticed, once I post a video, normally I start answering the questions pretty quickly. But then after a few hours or the following day, it gets hard for me to come back because I have so many. It's not only on that particular video that you guys ask me questions, it's also on other videos. So it makes it difficult to answer all of them. So I do apologize if I don't answer all of your questions, but I try my best. And also, some of the questions have already been asked. So if you go and scroll up, you will see the answer most probably will already be there. So this is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. With butter, the marble effect, for the